Morning students, welcome back to online social science classroom. Today we are going to study new chapter, Understanding Our Criminal Justice System. First of all, let us read a storyboard related to a theft given in the textbook. After reading the storyboard, you can understand the people, those who play a key role in the criminal justice system. Let us start our class. Dear students, let us read a storyboard given in the textbook. Okay? At their apartment in Mumbai, Mrs. Shinde is getting dressed. She has been frantically searching for her gold chain for over an hour. Mrs. Shinde is getting dressed. She is searching her gold chain. Somebody took that gold chain. Okay, she is not finding that. I am sure it was in this drawer. Where could it be? Mr. Shinde came and he told her that, hurry up, we are going to be late for the wedding. She replied that, I can't find my gold chain. It's not in the drawer. I suspect that Shanti might have stolen it. Shanti is the servant. Okay. She told that she suspected that Shanti might have stolen it. She always spent a long time dusting my room. Shanti has been working in the house for past 3 years. Okay. She is the servant. Shanti, have you begun to steal now? And that too my gold chain? Bring your trunk. Bring your trunk. I want to search it. We have called the police. So if you have the chain, return it now. She says that, Shanti says that, Madam, I haven't stolen it. She is innocent. Mr. Shinde searches Shanti's trunk, okay, and finds an envelope. Mr. Shinde searches Shanti's bag and finds an envelope with rupees 1,000 in it. He screams at Shanti, saying that this is the money she has got from selling the chain. Sab, she says that, Sab, my brother and I have been saving this money over the last 1 year. We want to buy a bull when we go to our village. Madam, I am innocent. She says that her brother and she have been saving this money over the last 1 year. She did not take the chain. Mr. Shinde has come to the police station and filed an FIR. Mr. Shinde came with Sub-Inspector Rao to the house. Inspector says that, I am arresting Shanti and taking her to the police station. Shanti replies that, please don't let him take me. I have not stolen the chain. Shanti's brother Sushil arrives and pleads with S.A. Rao to release Shanti. But what happened now? What happened later? S.I. Rao forcibly keeps Sushil in the police station for 2 days and beaten by the other police. As Sushil keeps repeating that he is very innocent factory worker, the police let him go after 2 days. He is continuously telling that he is very innocent. So he is released from the police station. Okay. Although the court granted bail to Shanti after a month, she was unable to get anyone to stand surety for her for rupees 20,000. She continued to be in jail. So that she continued to be in jail. No one came to stand surety for her and for rupees 20,000. So she continued to be in jail. She is worried about what will happen during the trial. The police files a charge sheet in the magistrate court. So the magistrate appoints a lawyer for Shanti's case, defense lawyer. That lawyer is known as defense lawyer. Advocate Kamala Roy. That defense lawyer's name, Advocate Kamala Roy. Advocate Kamala Roy meets Shanti in the court. Shanti and his brother told every matter to the Kamala Roy. Kamala Roy is the defense lawyer. Okay. So, in the court, the public prosecutor appears in the case on the behalf of the state. Public prosecutor. He presents Mr. and Mrs. Shinde as key witness. So tell me, Mrs. Shinde, how did the gold chain go missing? Public prosecutor says. I had kept my chain in the drawer. Shanti stole it. No other outsider except Shanti goes into my room. I also got rupees 10,000 from her trunk. Next, Advocate Roy cross-examined the prosecution witness, Mrs. Shinde. So what you are basically saying is that you did not see Shanti steal the chain. You were also regularly paying her rupees 1,000 as salary each month. Advocate Roy examines Sushil and his employer as a defense witness. Through their testimonies, she is able to show that the rupees 10,000 found in Shanti's trunk could well be the earnings of Sushil and Shanti. So the Kamala Roy told that 10,000 rupees she got from her hard work. Okay. Then what happened later? As the trial is nearing completion, Sushil learns that Sushil is the brother. Learns that Inspector Sharma has busted a gang of young men who have been stealing jewellery from Shinde's neighborhood. Now, Advocate Roy is a defense lawyer for the Shanti. Advocate Roy calls Inspector Sharma as a defense witness. He told that a gang of boys Inspector Sharma told that a gang of boys who had stolen the chain. These boys have admitted that they stole the chain. Okay, so who committed a mistake? Mrs. Shinde's son's friends are the part of this gang and they took the chain. Now everyone can understand that she is innocent. Then the court orders that, the judge orders that, Shanti, you are hereby acquitted of the charge of theft. Okay. So from the above incident, we can see that the four key players in the criminal justice system are the police, the public prosecutor, the defense lawyer and the judge. Okay. Children, I hope you understood this topic very well. URL related to this topic is attached. Watch the URL. Notes and test questions are also attached. We can meet in the next session. Bye.